Hello everyone, this is Santesh Kalada from Kalada Academy. So today in this lecture we'll be discussing about canonical tags. So canonical tags is something that is constantly asked in interviews on digital marketing jobs. So I'll explain to you this with an example so that you understand more. First of all, what is a canonical tag and why you should use that? According to the official definition by Ahrefs, a canonical tag is a snippet of HTML code that defines the main version for duplicate, near duplicate and similar pages. So basically, a canonical tag tells Google what is the original page and what are the duplicate page. So canonical tag tells Google that if it is a duplicate page, it tells Google that, see, this is a duplicate page. And here is a link to the original version of this page. You need to index the original version, not this duplicate version of the page. So this is the tag or HTML code which you will be using in all your duplicate pages. This part will be the same, and here href, and this link should be changed to the link to your original page. So most of you might have a question now. Like, you might be thinking to yourself, like, I don't have duplicate pages. I only create one version of the page. So how can there be duplicate pages? So once I explain to you this with an example, you'll understand more. The thing is that, see this site, docs.google.com. I can also go to this URL by www.docs.google.com, or I can go just by typing docs.google.com. So this page is the same, but the URLs you are using to come to this page is different. So these are two duplicate versions of your home page. In case of WordPress automatically sets one version as your original version. If you want to change it, you can do it in Search Console. So this is basically one application of a canonical tag. So moving to the next lecture, why you should use canonical tag. As I explained earlier, it tells Google which pages to rank for and which pages should be indexed. See, if you're not specifying to Google about the original version of the article and the duplicate pages, Google will choose an article of its own choosing. It will choose something automatically. You don't want these things to be left in the hands of Google. You should always specify canonical tags to tell Google which is the original version of the page. Now here is an example. Let's say I run an e-commerce store bbclothing.co.uk and I am selling shirts. So the URL to see all the shirts in my site would be this one, bbcclothing.co.uk and clothingshirts.html. This will be my original e-commerce site. But you might have seen filters at the left hand column or something like that in sites like Amazon or Flipkart. Like, if you are seeing the shirts, I can apply filters like show only shirts with a size XL or show only shirts with a color red. So if I just switch on the filters, the URL will change like this. But the only change that is happening is it is removing all the other colors and other sizes. But the content is almost the same. Same here. If I am choosing only for duplicate page 1, if I am choosing the filter XL, the URL would sometimes look like this. But the content would be the same as this page. Again here, if I am choosing red color shirts as well as XL size, the URL would be different. It would be something like this. But still, the original version of the page is the same. It is just removing other colors and other sizes from the original page. So that means that this is the original page. So what you need to do is you need to add canonical tags in duplicate page 1 and duplicate page 2. So here's the HTML code for that. And here you need to replace it with the URL of the original page. See here, this URL should be pasted here and this code should be used in duplicate 1 and duplicate page 2. So this tells Google that not to index the duplicate page 1 and duplicate page 2, instead index the original page. So this is basically how canonical tags work. And to talk more about its implementation, you can just use the Yoast SEO plugin. All you need to do is go to plugins and install the Yoast plugin. After that, go to any page. For this example, let's consider that this sample page here is a duplicate copy of the page privacy policy. So what I should do is click on edit, open in a new tab, and you can go down and there will be the used SEO options. Go down to the advanced section and here you have something called canonical URL. So here I can just give the URL of the privacy policy page to tell Google that this sample page is a duplicate page and you don't need to index this page. The original page is privacy policy. So that's it. I hope you guys understood what is canonical URLs and what are its applications. If you have any doubts, please feel free to post it in the comments below. Thank you.